such a lie. Whenever you're around, I always seem to smile, and people ask.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined. Won't you kiss me? Won't you play? Won't you try me? Ain't no way I could deny you, I could strive. Won't you kiss me? Ain't no way. Want you, come and try me now. So come and try me now. I will never left alone.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog again and again. Here we are again. Yeah, so we're here now at the Ridge View Talaingod, Davao del Norte, and
Dito po tayo ngayon.
we're faces from last time. Unta guys, dili mo mapulaan sa mong mga naong.
Sorry na.
Think I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine. My cause is not defined. Won't you kiss me? Won't you play? Won't you try me? Ain't no way I could deny you, I could strive. Will you kiss me? Ain't no way. I know that left alone.
Hey guys! So today, we're here now at the Ridge View! Wala. So yung entrance fee dito is 150. Daytour at saka nag-table lang kami. So 200 yung table. Ay, kalame! Ang sarap ng hangin. Grabe, sobrang sarap mag-relax dito. Diba? Ang kalame sa hangin. Sarap ng hangin. Super. Relax na relax. Nakakawala ng stress. Oh my God! Oh, wow!
Desde que te vi, yo me enloquecí. Buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí.
This is the continuation of our road trip. And next stop is Uraya's Peak. So, yeah, again and again. So, may vlog na ako dito sa Uraya's Peak. So, kung hindi nyo pa napanood, just click the link below. Yes. So, dito, yan. The great feel. Yes. Maganda na din dito, na-develop na yung ng bonggang-bongga dito sa Uraya's Peak. Ang daming pa-flower. Ang daming pa-flower dito. Ang dami ko ng picture dito, madam. As in. So, hindi ko na kailangan ata mag-picture dito. And Siya na lang. Support na lang namin tong birthday girl. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Wow! So, dito na ako. So, ito guys. Bale, road trip pala to. Talaingod road trip. Hindi pala Ridgeview lang. So, dito yung cafe nila. Dito yung Uraya Cafe. And, order mo, madam. So, nagpa-picture muna sila. Ayan. Yes.
Buscaba aún así y por fin te conseguí. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo bien quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más.
Wow! It's nice! Wow, I love the flower. Like, oh my god! Lamian sa ambience dari, oy.
Okay. Oy. Ngit-ngit mo, may kramo po.
And we're done! So guys, nag-picture lang talaga kami. And wala akong masabi. Maganda dito. Ang lamig ng hangin. Very refreshing. And nakakawala talaga ng stress.
Away
Oh,
from
yun,
the
like,
city.
true. Very, very worth it. Yung gumastos yun. Gumastos kami ng 1.5. 1.5 ba? 1.1 pala. 1,000. Tapos, 3 hours, 2 hours lang ata kami doon sa Ridgeview. Hindi kami naligo kasi very crowded. Like, oh my God. We never. Huwag kasi mag-English ay. Oh, okay na. Let's go na. Uwi na kami. Bye-bye.